Morning, everyone. What a beautiful morning. After 12 days, I wait for this beautiful morning when one course is going out. See that smile in their faces, okay? And another course, a bit serious, is coming up, okay? And let me assure you, we will send you also very happy, very well trained. And let me tell you, directly or indirectly, you guys are going to imbibe a lot of OPSA-like qualities.
Develop your OLQs under the guidance of General Bhakuni in our 5-day online personality development course. This course takes place every month and the next one starts on 16th. So make sure that you register at the earliest. Make sure that you don't miss any of our free classes and exclusive new videos on SSB Show Short Plus. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell. Follow us on Instagram for more informative and motivational content, offers and updates related to the armed forces. Visit our website for numerous online courses and study material. Call us on 6364052525 to inquire and register. Now let's get back to the video.
Now you will wonder, okay, how the hell do you imbibe the OPSA-like qualities? I can assure you guys, what a beautiful academy you have come to. An academy which is spread over 28 acres. Highly qualified instructors. Look at them. Ex-president of the Kapurthala board. Look, our GTOs you will meet very soon. So everybody, imagine 2 presidents are here, ex-presidents. So you will get the best of instructors. But the learning is in your hand more than us. I always used to tell them, we will leave no stone unturned. I have told them, if you are not satisfied, stay put here. We don't mind. We don't charge you extra. Let him do the next course also. We don't mind that. Let him learn. They still have got one more day to go. And they will go without any doubts from here. So now how will you imbibe? See, the selection system in the armed forces is a personality-based selection system. What is the personality-based system? It is not we are checking your knowledge, which is there in the civil services, etc., where it is a knowledge-based interview. See this. The knowledge is important even for the armed forces, but the whole selection system is based on your personality. It is not a skill base like you have in the corporate. It is your personality. What is the personality now? Guys, it is your sum total of all your qualities. See the officer-like qualities. If you understand the selection system, which will explain you not only the selection system, will explain you the thought behind the selection system. Why is the selection process is of a particular type? Why you have 3 independent based techniques? What is the reason for it? How an individual is assessed? When you go to the SSB, there are 2-3 things important. What you expect in the SSB and what the SSB expects you. So I was coming to the officer-like qualities now, guys. The first thing, let me tell you, automatically by staying in this environment, your factor 2 and factor 3 will be just improved like this. Now you'll wonder, what is this factor 2, factor 3? Factor 3, imagine if you stay with so many guys, your social adaptability, you're making friends with them, adjusting with them, being part of the team. Your cooperation will improve, okay? And our interns who are here, let me tell you, one of the quality they imbibe here, which they also imbibe to an extent, but the interns imbibe it a lot, those who are with us. They imbibe the sense of responsibility. Look at this. These are all interns. How they are taking on the responsibilities. Look at them. They are the one who are making this video. They are the one who are taking small jobs in their hand. So they learn this sense of responsibility. Even the candidates take on so many responsibilities. The course senior, the course second, they also take part in so many tasks of the academy. Your factor 2 gets clear. Your factor 3 is absolutely clear. By being here, look at this, the kind of initiatives they have to take, whether in group discussion or in group planning or in so many other GTO tasks or in the class itself. When I ask them questions, guys, your initiative, look at their self-confidence every time they participate in stage 1 or in group planning or in group discussion, their confidence increases. Look at the guys, some of them never used to smile, and look at them now. There is a change takes place by being part of the team. In armed forces, to become a leader, you have to be part of the team. And by being part of the team only, you can become a leader. That's why we generally prefer a guy who's outdoor, who's adventurous, because we know that your practical intelligence improves, your organizing ability improves, your power of expression improves. So they have indirectly improved this without even realizing it. And guys, other than the other qualities, what is your factor 3? Is your social effectiveness. Your initiative has improved, your confidence has improved, your speed of decision is again the same thing. When you participate, you think of a point. Mentally, you are taking a decision whether to speak. You organize your thoughts, your organizing ability improves. The best quality, which is the most important, is your ability to influence the group. See, every time they speak in the group, their ability to influence the group improves. It goes higher and higher. Without that, you can't get success. And after that, there is another good quality, that is liveliness. If you have to stay in the group, who will come with you if you do not smile? Anybody likes to go to a negative chap? Anybody likes to go with a chap who is always sad and serious? See this, I always remember this girl because she smiles so much. Her liveliness factor is here. Look at that. So see, there are guys like that, you'll find always their faces are full of smiles. And let me tell you, and here it is all serious. You can see the camera sees it. See the difference? Now, see all the smiles in their face. So your liveliness improves and your factor 4, your dynamism, because you are undertaking so many obstacles. You are undertaking the responsibilities of your own studies, preparing for the next class. Your determination improves, guys. After determination comes your courage factor. See this, how many times they have tried to do the GOR and the individual obstacles? Tell me number of times approximately. 5 to 6 times. Imagine that also improves your courage factor. That also improves your determination. And of course your stamina. Every morning you guys will be doing PT here. Every morning you will do that. And so many times you will go in the various these obstacle systems, exercises, your physical fitness will improve. So guys, virtually let me tell you this. Not only your factor 1, factor 2, factor 3, factor 4 improves. And if you want to further improve it, you want to take to a leadership level, then best of you will call you later as our interns. Because after becoming an intern, see, Saurabh is virtually doing an officer's job here. Saurabh, why are you there? Come here. So he is virtually an officer here. Kavita, come here. Come. Though you are not properly dressed, you can remove your mask for a while. Look, she is like an officer here. Both of you come here on top. Look at them. So they are virtually, they were an intern. This girl has done a psychology course. She is handling psychology for the last 2.5 years. From the day 1 of the academy, she is here. See, Saurabh from Sainik School, oh my God, his knowledge is as good as an officer. Mark my words, he will be very soon an officer. I can tell you now. Any word I have said has never gone wrong. You will see him an officer. Because she doesn't want to become an officer, I can't help it. She likes the job of teaching and professorship and psychology teaching, I can't help it. If she seriously goes and clears her stage 1, nothing can stop her. She says, just, okay. So guys, it's like that. So you have the best. If some of you will select you as our interns, some of them, you have to give your name to Saurabh, will call you in due course. So guys, here is a great opportunity. Remain happy here. Because if you are happy, you will get success in life. Anybody thinks that success will come only if happiness will come only if I succeed in life. Wrong. Only happy people succeed in life. Not the same. You always think, I will get happy once I reach a particular destination. It doesn't happen like this in life. In life, you got to be happy first, and then you move on in your life. Remain positive, and then embark on your goals, on your vision, on your mission in life. Your mission will be accomplished. Imagine if you 4 or 5 guys going on a particular mission, if they are sad from the day 1, how will they achieve? Can they? A football team which is sad and under gloom and in the negative kind of environment, will they succeed? No, sir. So they have to be full of joy, full of positivity. Are you full of positivity?
Yes, sir.
Are you the one who always complains and doesn't take any action?
No, sir.
Good. If you are positive, if you want to be happy, if you want to learn, if you have an open mind, let me tell you, sky is the limit. And we are here. There is a famous saying that if the student is ready, the teacher will come. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
So I have come. Rather, we have come. Okay? And let me tell you, the teacher will come in any form. Not necessarily in my form. The teacher will come in form of a video. The teacher will come in the form of a book. The teacher will come in the form of anything. Sometimes through a movie. Anything which inspires you. These coincidences will start happening in your life if you have a positive attitude. Something, the gods, the universe, which is just an energy field. If your energy is in sync with that energy, you'll find environment coming, things happening, coincidences happening, and you'll find something positive coming. The very fact you are here, you thought about it. You have a mission in your heart. That's the reason you are here. There is a purpose. Make full use of this purpose. Another coincidence will happen. Another and another. All positive things will start happening in your life. If you have a positive bent of mind. Guys, are you positive?
Yes, sir.
No, मजा नहीं आया. Are you positive?
Yes, sir.
Great.
Want to know how to build the right attitude for SSB? Join General Bhakuni's exclusive mentorship club and get access to our SSB online course, personality development course, psych assessment, and our online personal interview. Apart from these, you will also get other perks and benefits, including interaction with General Bhakuni in every 15 days, free study material, mentoring by experts, and a personal call with General Bhakuni before your SSB.